Hello everyone, welcome to Foodie Mom. Hi guys, today I am doing something different, so let's quickly start with it. Firstly, I want to tell you that I was in India last month and was absolutely surprised and happy to see that makeup and skincare trend is improving. Of late, many of my friends have switched to herbal lifestyle. I was excited and studied a lot about all of them. And the one final verdict is Khadi products wins all hands down. So I decided to share my experience with you. So today, the title of my video is 7 Best Khadi Products Part 1. Now you'll be thinking why Part 1? Because in Part 1, I'll be reviewing only these three products: the Khadi face freshener, Khadi herbal gel, Khadi herbal face wash. So, in part 2, I'll be sharing a review of these four products, which says Khadi hair tonic, Khadi pure rose water, Khadi herbal shampoo, Khadi under eye gel. So, you have to wait for the part 2. Till then, let's enjoy part 1. Let me tell you one more thing before I start with my these all little products, that all these products are available on Amazon and Flipkart. Also, you can go to your nearby Khadi outlets also to buy them. So let's start with the Khadi face freshener. So this is Khadi face freshener, guys. This one. Yes. So this is the freshener. So it contains mint and cucumber. Mint gives you energy, like energy to your face, and cucumber is really good for your skin and it immediately freshens it up. If I'm tired and out for a whole day, just 2-3 pumps makes my face feel so cool and alive. It gives life to face immediately. Let me tell you the ingredients of this freshener. Mm, it has mint, cucumber, water, basil leaves, neem leaves, wheat germ, and rose petals. So all these ingredients are herbal. Over here, they are mentioning their ingredients. It's not catching the focus. Anyway, that's okay. I've already told you. I'll try to get it next time. So all the ingredients are really amazing for our skin, and on top of it everything is herbal. All ingredients together cleans our face, simultaneously making it soft and supple after use. You have to try it, guys. You will not at all feel cracked skin. It's really good for oily skin, and you can also use it after removing your makeup because it's a freshener plus cleanser. And now let me tell you about the packaging. See, this is the packaging. It's really simple, a plastic bottle. You just need to remove top small cap and you are just a mist away. Let me show you. I hope you got the noise. So, j- it's very simple. You can carry it around and you can also use it whenever, wherever you feel like. You can put it in your handbag also. And let me tell you its price. So guys, this is 100 ml for rupees 95. Only 95. It's so much pocket friendly. Mist it on your face, taking 3-4 pump and wipe it out with cotton pad and you are garden fresh. Seriously, when I'm all day tired, I use it like every day. Yes, before going to bed, I use it. It's all natural. Do get it, try it. I'll give you the link in the description box also. And for 95 rupees, I think it should be experimented. And now let's go to the second product, which is, let me tell you. Yeah, this big tub. Yes, this is aloe vera gel by Khadi. So let's start with it. See the packaging. This whole big tub. Yes, this one. So it's also from Khadi. Now, guys, I have a plant like aloe vera plant at my home also. So I also use that. You can also use it, freshly cut one, but it doesn't have a smell. But when I see this, when I smell this one, it does have some kind of artificial fragrance added to it. So I must tell you. So this is not completely natural, I guess. Like some kind of color, because color is also very different. This is not the color of aloe vera. It is usually transparent, and I know really don't know why this is like pure green kind of. So let me tell you the price of it before starting. So guys, this is 320 rupees for 500 ml. This whole big tub is for 320 rupees, and the ingredients it has is purified water, aloe vera, cucumber extract, lemon peel extract, licorice, and glycerine. Yes, all these are again herbal ingredients that are added to it. It's really good for oily skin. I used to get pimples, but after using it, my pimples have vanished. Honestly, this is my personal review on it. I used to get pimples, but now all of them have simply like gone, totally gone. Since it can be used on body, right now guys I'm in England, so here it's 0 degree, so my skin gets dried up so easily because it is freezing over here. Therefore I'm using it all over my body too. Trust me guys, a moisturizer that too in gel form is awesome. Also, I need to tell you that aloe vera gives us good nourishment. It is not at all greasy. You can use it as a night cream. It is very light on skin. And one more thing, I also use it as a serum in my hair. After my hair wash, I use it as a serum also because it is herbal. Also, boys can also use it as a hair styling gel. Now let me show you its consistency. See, I'm just taking a small pump over here. See, it is so thick. It is not going anywhere. It's just stuck to my skin. And just this much of volume can nourish your both hands. Now let me take it on my both hands. And guys, see, my hand is so well nourished right now. See, no heavy texture, very light, and awesome fragrance. I really love its fragrance. Lovely. And it's in the gel form. See, all nourished. So I would say do try it. It's not a bad deal. Really. Now let's go to our last but not the least product. It is Khadi Herbal Face Wash. Now this one is also like aloe vera one. So this is my second bottle. I've already used one and I have simply loved it. So this is the bottle. Very easy to use. See, just open this cap and pour it. Yes. So let's start with the review of this one. This bottle. Now it's a plastic container and it contains 210 ml of this herbal face wash, and it's of rupees 250. Yes, 250. And it is good for all skin types. Remove dead skin cells with natural face scrub. Yes guys, it also has face scrub in it, and it is SLS free and paraben free too. So guys, I would like to recommend you this aloe vera face wash because I'm using it. I have oily skin and I just use it once in a day and I'm done for whole day. And Khadi has huge range of face washes which are paraben and SLS free and they are for all skin types. It has a huge range. Yes. So this face wash is suitable for all skin type and I've told you the price. It's that too it is also pocket friendly. You can buy it, you can experiment it. And let me tell you the ingredients that it has. The ingredients that it has are aqua, aloe vera, rose, pineapple, saffron, neem, rice bran, apricot, walnut shell, and seaweed. So these all are the ingredients that this little face wash has. So now let me tell you that I use it 7 to 8 times in a week. It really matches up to my expectations that I like firstly had when I was buying it. So though it is suitable for all skin type, but it's working on my oily skin, right? So I don't know what kind of response or like how will it like what kind of result it will give on dry skin. But guys, I'm just telling you this review is my personal review that I like it. So for all the oily skin ones or the normal skin ones, you must try this face wash. It is really good. All the products are very pocket friendly and you can experiment it. And main thing is that these all products are herbal. It will not cause any harm to you. So now I'll see you in part 2 of Khadi product review, and I told you that I'll be doing it soon. So till then, do not forget to like, share, comment on my video. I'll see you again. Till then, keep shining. Also, do not forget to subscribe Foodie Mom. Take care. Bye.